Who's there?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese who?
Macaroni and cheese. I say I bless you.
Haha. Okay, tell me another one.
Nana.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange. I say I'm glad to say banana.
Oh my. Okay. Tell me another one.
Nana.
Who's there?
Bubble.
Bumble who?
Bubble apple.
Oh my gosh. Do you have any more? Okay.
Nana.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana bubble.
Are you gonna be a comedian? You gonna grow up and tell jokes for a living?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Why don't you show me your karate ballet?
That's too hard.
It's too hard?
Yeah.
How come?
Because the grass is too hard.
I think it's because you're wearing your backpack.
Yeah.
Okay.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Hair.
Hair who?
Hair mouth.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut you off there.